A partnership with Excel Advertising and Marketing allows you to focus your efforts on selling your product, while we streamline your advertising, marketing, and promotions for maximum results. We take an approach to marketing that creates an environment of achievement. Simply put, we produce results. Let us help you increase sales by generating desire for your product through the media outlets that will drive traffic to your business. Our marketing expertise will move your company forward in the right direction, towards success. We'll maximize your profits with thorough strategic analysis and creative media planning, utilizing all available co-op advertising and manufacturers' programs with complete budget accountability. Our proactive approach to advertising and marketing allows us to analyze and determine the best way to direct traffic to your business, increase efficiency and CSI, and streamline production. We also look for creative ways to bring your products to market without waiting for customers to come to you. Let us implement a marketing strategy that is designed for success, your success. Our full-service production department can produce videos that will put your company in the spotlight in many available electronic avenues. Excel Advertising and Marketing. Our expertise translates into results.